Hello everyone, Science Standard 8, lesson number 2, Health and Diseases. This is fifth video of this lesson. In the last video, we have learned infection through animals and some example of non-infectious disease like cancer. In this video, we will see some more example of non-infectious diseases. The first one is diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled, and this disorder is called as diabetes. Basically, what happens in diabetes, the glucose level or sugar level in a body increases or even decreases. So it causes diabetes, which means that the glucose level should be very perfect in our body. Then and then only we may not suffer from the diabetes. Symptoms: frequent urination at night and increased obesity or weight loss. A person may either gain lots of weight or he or she may lose a lots of weight. Reason for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, and mental stress, etc. Preventive measures: following the proper diet, medicine, and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Yes, student, we should have a proper diet, take medicine as prescribed by the doctor, and we should always exercise to keep all diseases away from us. Do you know India has largest number of diabetes patients in the world. At present, approximately 7 crores diabetes patients are present in the country. The next disease is heart disease. Efficiency of heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscle. Now, efficiency means we can say the ability of heart to do its work. Now, when does this happen? When blood supply or oxygen and nutrient supply to the muscle of the heart are reduced. The heart cannot perform its activity well, and due to this, heart has to perform more work, and this lead to stress on it, and this may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms: severe heart sorry severe chest pain, pain in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hands, uneasiness and tremors. Tremors means light shaking movement in the body. It may happen in our hands or our legs, anywhere in the body. Reasons of heart attack: again smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and anxiety. Anxiety means feeling of worry, we can say. Now, if we all notice, there are some common things in all three diseases, means cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. We learn now just we learn about these three diseases. So we all notice that we will find that physical exercise, mental stress, obesity are the main reasons for all these non-infectious diseases, which means that we should exercise daily to keep ourselves fit. We should have proper diet as well as we should be stress free. Then we can lead a happy life. Here are the various techniques. Here are the various techniques to treat heart disease, like angiography, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stent, heart transplant. Always remember first aid for heart disease. First call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. Keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only life support. COLS. In this, press the center of a thorax for at least 30 minutes at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. So we will stop here.